I like how I still don't have my drink. I'll be back. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, since I'm at like, what are we almost at? 200 subscribers? Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting, and disliking, and all that other fun stuff. It's so exciting. Like, I don't really even have words to express my happiness other than just thank you and this ginormous smile. But we're gonna get into this lovely little purple box. Look, it matches my background. Anyways, this is the TRENDMOOD box, and if you don't know anything about TRENDMOOD, they are a like beauty and blog style, like I mostly only watch them, see them on Instagram, and they have the down to the know, and they have like the inside scoop of, you know, new products that are coming out and when they are, new releases and everything like that. But I did get my hands on a box. I thought, you guys, that this box was going to be like tooth and nails, ripping hair, and it would be sold out before I got it. No, this was easy to get. You know, it was hard to get. Raw Beauty Christie's by Pure Cosmetics Duality Palette. Man, that was worse than like, it was worse than Black Friday or anything like that. Like, oh my goodness. She crashed the site. Everybody already knows. We're not going to go into this. Anyways, though, I did get 3 palettes. So when they do come and my video comes up, there's going to be 2 lucky winners. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified when I do upload that video. Anyways, let's get into this little guy. Not really little. This is also the most expensive subscription box I'm going to probably unbox on my channel. It was $68. 68. Man. And I don't know if hers is up yet, but Yachty Beauty, I'll link her channel down below. She got 2, so go check her out. She's doing one as a giveaway. So if it's not up already, I will wait till it's up and then I will link it. So look forward to that. So, and also, I do not know what's in this box. I decided not to look at any like the little spoilers, the sneak peeks, anything like that. So, we do have this lovely, oh my goodness, there's more products in here than I was expecting. Lovely wrap. Get over there. Alright, so first thing we have is from Milani. It's a fresh fruit strawberry lemonade lip balm. Ooh, what are you going to smell like? Aw, really? It's got a hint of candiness, I guess, but don't know. I don't know, is my white balance like off? I look really, really dark. If I do, nope. I'm gonna invest in a ring light back there. So, well, it completely sheared out to clear, so that's good. I wonder if, ooh, let's put it all over this. You guys, it's not mixing well with this liquid lipstick. It's like breaking down the liquid lipstick and I can feel the texture on my lips. And it's on my teeth. Milani, what'd you do? Abort, I need something. Well, there was that. How many times am I gonna wear this? On camera? Oh, no, I love it. Where is my new Bailey Syrian merchandise? Girl, I ordered that like a month ago. Actually, when did it come out? I don't know. It feels like a month, actually. Do you know what day it is? Why am I rambling? Oh, I don't talk to many people. Anyways, this big box. Let's get into this. This is the sponge by the Makeup Eraser. Or the original Makeup Eraser. It says it's machine washable, non-toxic dyes, no special cleansers, reusable, lasts up to 6 months, wet or dry application, and it saves you money. Let's just kind of, okay. How to use wet. The drier your sponge, the fuller the coverage. Ugh, there's hair sticking to that gloss. But, machine wash in your wash ball. Oh, this guy. There's a wash ball. So you machine wash this once a week with your makeup towel or eraser. Your makeup eraser towel load. What? Do you do a special load for your makeup eraser towels? How many towels do you have? Anyways, if you have not washed it in over a week, you are a heavy makeup wearer, soak your sponge. Or if you are a heavy makeup wearer, soak your sponge in your favorite cleanser or detergent for 15 to 60 minutes prior to machine washing. Toss your sponge and wash ball into the dryer on high heat. The higher the heat, the happier the sponge. Alright, what are you? Oh. Maybe it's just telling us about the new Marc Jacobs Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara. Alright, so what are you? You are from Nabla. This is Miami Lights Glitter Palette. It's a pressed glitter palette. Ooh. The only thing is, they're so pretty, but I am not a fan of pressed glitters. So do I want to swatch you? No. Well, there was that. Hey guys, so I fixed it. It's a new day, new hair, new makeup, new nails. If you like this new look, whatever. Anyways, make sure you are subscribed because this look will be up on Saturday, a week from today. Anyways, let's finish unboxing this TRENDMOOD box. I still can't believe that happened, y'all. Like, mine just, okay, alright. You know what? Pull out the pretty purple paper. And then we'll just get into the good stuff. I think, yes, I do remember I went over this last, because I didn't even look at my last footage, which I probably should have. But I know everything else that's inside the box, other than this, I already looked at. But this was the glitter palette. I don't really enjoy pressed glitters, so this is going to be a part of my palette giveaway, which is going to happen when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I literally have probably about like 20 or 30 palettes, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for the instructions, rules. Help me get to 1,000? Yeah. Next we have in this little box is, so we already, and and if you wait till Thursday's video, I'll test it out, the actual makeup sponge, so look for that video too. But we have a huge a full-size makeup eraser. Actually, whoa, I didn't know it was this big. The other one I have is only like half. And then I also have a very, very little one. So that's cool. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's so soft. I don't think my other one's a real makeup eraser. I think it's an off-brand because this is so soft. Don't take off my makeup. Don't do it. Okay. I'm excited to have that. Because one thing I really do kind of hate is kind of washing my face. Unless I'm in the shower, I don't like to splash my face, so that's actually very, very nice. Next thing in here is a lovely palette by Nabla. This is the Scarlet palette. Ooh. It's a nice textured palette, and it seems to be pretty sturdy. And got our little clear sheet. I love these things. Why? Because who needs a makeup palette when you could just put your foundation on this? I'm just improvising what I have, okay? Ooh. Oh, and it folds all the way back. I love when palettes do that because I usually tend to hold them like this. So here's our pretty shades. I'm not gonna swatch these just because there's probably multiple videos of them getting swatched. But Fantasize? Okay, actually a lot. I'm gonna swatch Fantasize. It looks like it's like a purple blue duochrome. It's pretty. I don't even know if it is a duochrome, but it's an eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. No, you're not gonna tell me. Maybe you'll tell me on here. I'm gonna go with no. So, oh, I like that. I like that little detail right there on the back. That is very, very cute. And then next we have First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Eye Duty. So this is another eye cream. So I have tried a niacinamide eye cream. I don't know what the brand was. I cannot remember to save my life. But I actually really did enjoy it. And First Aid Beauty is a really good skincare brand, so this is a really good find. I didn't even know it was in the box, okay? So I didn't look purposely, so it was a surprise. Oh, lily lashes. And I'm glad they are faux minks. And you can use up to 20 uses. They just look out there. Do I even have lash glue? I think I'm gonna need to go get lash glue. Then we got a few more things. Oh, okay. I think because I already opened the first one, I don't think I'm gonna open these two. Cause and I got a lipstick on too. So I'm not gonna open these, but I will give that other one a try if I have nothing on my lips. If not, I'm gonna pass these along. It's because I did not like that first one. And then, oh, we have again from Lily Lashes, Lash Adhesive Line. Oh look, they gave us glue. I literally, you remember we just had that conversation? I just said I need to get some lash glue. Look at that. Way to go, Trend Mood. You're already thinking ahead of the box. Out of the box? Outside of the box? Inside the outside the box. And then lastly in our box, because other than that, we empty from Marc Jacobs at LASH'D Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. So, I wonder, ooh. And in the shade Bleckle. What kind of wand do you have? Ooh, guys, this packaging is gorgeous. It's not just like a sticker or anything, it's actually all up in there. Like, it's indented in lines. You can see the fancy packaging design. That is wild. So, and I don't believe they ever did a... Yeah, there wasn't one in there. There's no informational card, so I don't know individual prices of everything, but I will have that listed down below if... Yeah, I will. Yeah, don't be lazy. Just do it. Anyways, that's it for this Trend Mood unboxing. Stay tuned for those upcoming videos and a future giveaway. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified on my new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, except for this video. This video is going to go up a little bit later than 2 p.m. But I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye! I need more desk. I need to clean my desk. Let's be honest. What is up, everyone? I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Thank you for watching and choosing what? Anyways, found out if I do this, it kind of works. Hold up.